Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to build a simple spot welder. First I solder and remove several capacitors from an old patane. These are the capacitors I use. Just make sure they are over 36 volts, otherwise they will explode when welding. Then I solder all the capacitors together in parallel. Then I glue the capacitors and the power supply onto a piece of wood and solder the power supply to the capacitors. Then 2 cables are soldered to the capacitors and 10 centimeters of copper wire is soldered to the cables, which is then used for welding. The last thing to be done is to attach a cladding. Now follows a test.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that.